For this example, I'm going to use long division in order to divide 2x squared minus 5x minus 1 by x minus 3. Now, just a little bit of terminology. The stuff that's inside, that's called the dividend. And the stuff that's outside here, that's going to be the divisor. So x minus 3 is the divisor. Now, in order to do long division, I got to begin by identifying two things. The first term of the dividend, so that would be 2x squared, and then the first term of the divisor, which would be x. I have to find a quantity such that when you multiply it with x, you're going to get 2x squared. And after a few seconds, I can see that the quantity that I need is going to be 2x. Since 2x multiplied with x is going to give me 2x squared. So I'm going to bring down 2x squared here. And next, I'm going to multiply 2x by the second term of my divisor, negative 3. So negative 3 times 2x, we're going to get negative 6x. Once you have both of these terms, or however many terms you have on the outside, you're going to subtract here, because the objective is going to be to cancel out the first term here. And I'm only going to be able to achieve that if I subtract. 2x squared minus 2x squared, we're going to get 0. These cancel out. Now we're going to do the following operation. Negative 5x minus 6x. Now here we have to be a little bit careful, so I'm going to write it down here on the side. I'm going to have negative 5x, and we're going to subtract negative 6x. So negative 5x, and then minus negative 6x, that's going to turn into a plus 6x. And then negative 5x plus 6x, we're going to get a positive x. Hence, negative 5x minus negative 6x, we're going to get a positive x. Notice that we still have that negative 1, so we're going to drop it down. And now we have a new binomial here, x minus 1. We're going to repeat the process. I'm going to look back at my divisor, and I need to find the quantity such that when I multiply it with x, I'm going to get x. And here, that's just going to be 1, positive 1. So I'm going to put a plus 1. X times 1 is going to give me x. And then 1 multiplied with negative 3 is going to give me a negative 3. I'm going to subtract because I want to cancel these out. So we're going to get that x, well, x minus x, that's just going to cancel out. And now here we have negative 1 minus negative 3. So I'm going to go ahead and write it down on the side here so I don't get confused. We're going to get negative 1. We're going to subtract negative 3. Negative 1 minus negative 3 is going to switch to plus 3. And then negative 1 plus 3 is going to be positive 2. So here I have the negative 1 minus negative 3. We're going to get a positive 2. Once you boil it down to a single constant, that's telling you that you're going to stop. This is going to be the remainder. So here my remainder is 2, and to write it down, I'm going to add 2 and then divide by the divisor, x minus 3. So the quotient, or my result, is going to be 2x plus 1 plus 2 over x minus 3.